In today's video, I'll show you how to add a table of contents to your WordPress posts. This is a great way to improve readability, especially for longer articles, and it helps readers quickly jump to the sections they care about most. A table of contents not only enhances user experience but can also increase engagement on your site. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open the plugins section and click Add New. This will take you to the WordPress plugin library, where you can search for tools to extend your site's functionality. In the search bar, type Table of Contents. You will see several options, but two popular and reliable choices are Easy Table of Contents and Table of Contents Plus. When choosing a plugin, look for good ratings and a high number of active installations, as this usually indicates stability and regular update. Once you've selected a plugin, click Install Now. After the installation finishes, click Activate to enable it on your site. The plugin activated, it's time to customize how your table of contents will appear. Head back to your dashboard and open the plugin settings. If you're using Easy Table of Contents, you'll find it under Settings, then Table of Contents. Inside the Settings panel, you can choose which heading levels are included, adjust the layout or design, and decide whether the table of contents is inserted automatically or added manually. Take a moment to fine-tune these options so the table of contents matches your content style and layout. Once configured, your post will display a clean, clickable table of contents that makes navigation simple and intuitive. And that's it. You've successfully added a table of contents to your WordPress posts, making them more organized, accessible, and reader-friendly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps improve your content experience.